Hello, welcome to Accounting Hub. I'm Professor George Scarpin, PhD in accounting, and our topic today is dollar value LIFO. What is dollar value LIFO? It's a method of simplifying LIFO because we have some limitations of LIFO. Record keeping costs of unit LIFO can be significant when a company has numerous individual units of units, when unit costs change often during a period, and probability of LIFO inventories layers being liquidated. So we have two techniques to simplify LIFO. LIFO inventory pools. We have a video about LIFO inventory pools, and the video is in our video description. And dollar value LIFO method. And by the way, subscribe our channel. You will be the first one to know when a new video arrives. Like our Facebook page, Accounting Hub by Dr. Scarping. So how dollar value LIFO method works? Value LIFO, or only DVL, inventory pool is viewed as comprising layers of dollar value from different years. Remember, guys, LIFO, less in, first out. So the less items uh, to be taken away from our inventory is our beginning inventory. First, we take out the last purchase, and only when we sell everything that we purchased on that current year, we sell our beginning inventory. So, if our purchase is greater than our sales, our beginning inventory keeps the same, and we are adding layers. That is how dollar value LIFO works. So the inventory is viewed as a quantity of value instead of physical quantity of goods. And companies are allowed to combine a large variety of goods into one pool. Oh, how do we do that? We work with cost index. We deflate inventory amounts by any increase in prices so that both beginning and ending amounts are measured in terms of the same price level. And the cost index is usually cost in layer year divided by cost in base year. So we deflate it and then we inflate it again because it's three-step process. The step one, convert any inventory to base year cost. Step two, identify the layers of any inventory created each year. Step three, restate each layer using the cost index in the year acquired. So how does it work? Let's go to our Excel file here. Uh, all our Excel files, guys, remember, they are free, and the link to download it is in our video description. So let's do it here. So what do we have? Step one, convert ending inventory to base year cost. So let's consider here, Skyping Company adopted the DVL method on January 1st, 2020, when the inventory cost was $500,000. This is our beginning inventory. So beginning inventory here, $500,000. Let's put in yellow our given data. The ending inventory value at year-end cost, especially here, FIFO, is 588. So 588. And the cost index is 1.05. 1.05. So here, it's just like we have 5% inflation or 5% raising costs. So here, convert ending inventory to a base year cost. So let's bring this ending inventory to our beginning inventory number. So this 1.05 is just like the 5% that is what exceeds 100 is just like our discount rate to bring this number to present value. How do we do that? It's only one period. So ending inventory divided by cost index. So our ending inventory to base year cost is 560. And here, what do we have here? Oops, oops. What do we have here? Come on, come on, come on, come on. 2020 layer. So how much the 2020 layer? This 560, it is the ending inventory at the same price level as the beginning inventory. So our layer is the ending inventory to base year cost less beginning inventory. How much our inventory changes from one year to another at the same price level. How do we find our new ending inventory or our ending inventory at DVL cost? Beginning inventory, 500. 2020 layer, 600. 600, sorry. So the total at base year cost is 560, our step 2. How much is our cost index? For the beginning inventory, 1. Cost index for the layer, 1.05. So cost ending inventory, ending at year base cost times 1. So we don't inflate it again because they are our beginning inventory in our T account. And the layer it is on beginning year prices, we need to bring them to ending year price. So 60 times 1.05. So here, based on LIFO, our ending inventory would be 563, lower than 588 on FIFO. That is what usually happens. We have a higher cost of goods sold on LIFO, so a lower ending inventory. Okay, guys, so thank you so much. Here's our presentation here. If you have questions or comments, leave it here or email me at jscarping@gmail.com. Have a very nice day and God bless you.